Hey guys, so today we're doing number 7. Uh, just so you know, this one's a real short one, so um, we only got about 4 more pages until the next chapter. The next chapter is going to be about psychological preparations, and that's only 2 pages, so just a little heads up. And then, chapter 3 is going to be warnings and communications. So, we'll probably be done with this. If not by Friday, then Monday. I don't want to do these on weekends. I want to, take a break on weekends. So, alright. Let's move on here. We're going on to number 7. So, what's the myth for number 7? The myth is as follows. So much food and water will be poisoned by fallout that people will starve and die, even in fallout areas where there is enough food and water. Okay, obviously that's not true. Here's the fact. And I'm just going to read it word for word because it's a very short paragraph and it's pretty much right to the point. If the fallout particles do not become mixed with the parts of food that are eaten, no harm is done. Food and water in dust-tight containers are not contaminated by fallout radiation. Peeling fruits and vegetables removes essentially all fallout, as does removing the uppermost several inches of stored grain onto which fallout particles have fallen. Water from many sources, such as deep wells and covered reservoirs, tanks, and containers, would not be contaminated. Even water containing dissolved radioactive elements and compounds can be made safe for drinking by simply filtering it through earth, as described later in this book. So, there again, something new I never knew. I don't know if you guys knew about that, but you can actually filter this water through earth. It doesn't require a whole lot now, does it? I mean, there's earth everywhere. And so before I close here, I just want to point out yesterday about the cities, right? Don't be misled about cities. Basically, what the chapter is talking about, that they're not just going to go straight for the cities. They're going to go for, targets within the cities, sensitive, areas. You know, I say planes and boats. What do I mean by planes and boats? Well, I mean, military planes, military boats. So, if that answers anybody's question about that, well, there's your answer. All right, so we're gonna move on tomorrow. We got 8, 9, 10, 11, and it looks like 11 is. That may take a few minutes to go over 11 because it looks like it's kind of a long, description. About a page and a half. All right. Have a good one.